We will continue to be here for a long time. Councils and councillors change over time, as they should in a healthy democracy. Iwi and hapu, however, remain.
Ko te heoi o Te Taumutu Rūnanga, kia tūturu te noho ki te kaunihera o Selwyn.
All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Any against or abstain? Call it carried.
Mā te whakaitanga o te nuinga, ka noho tonu rātou ki te tēpū.
We were unsure which way it was going to fall. Some of the questions prior, maybe a little bit anxious.
You are walking across the bridge to meet us. We're perhaps not walking across the bridge as often to meet you.
No te taurua mano rua te kaumārua, I whakaritea ai ngā tūranga mana whenua ki te kaunihera. Kei roto I te takiwā o Ngaitahu, karekau he tūru wāri Māori, he tūru mana whenua ke. Mā ngā rūnanga e tuatea ai te māngai, hei whakakanohi I a rātou ki te kaunihera. Ko tā te koromatua a Lydia Glidden, he motuhake tēnei hononga.
I think it's a really good result, but it's not actually about results, it's about partnership. This has been a long-standing discussion that we have with Te Taumutu. Puamiria and I meet monthly and discuss this, and I was part of council and we had mana whenua representation last term, and that intergenerational view is so important to this district.
What does partnership look like for us? Partnership looks like we are at that table. Although we don't have voting rights at council, our representative will have speaking rights and the ability to influence the decision making.
Ko tā Puamiria Parata-Goodall, mā tēnei hononga ka whakatūria etahi kaupapa huri noa I te hāpori. Pēnei I te ara ātea, he wāhi hāpori kei Rolliston.
A physical manifestation of that relationship. Part of that relationship was actually them employing one of our people to work alongside them.
Puamiria said, it's not always been like this, but you've got to start somewhere and you've got to build from somewhere, and so I'm hopeful that we continue to build that relationship.
Ko te mahi inaianiei mā Te Taumutu Rūnanga, he tuatea I tētahi māngai hou mo te kaunihera. Shakaila Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.